Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to request money on Revolut. In the beginning, open the Revolut app or website and log into your account. Then click on the payments button in the bottom menu of the app. Tap New, which is the plus sign at the top right corner. Select Create a Payment link, and that's how you're gonna request your money. Next, tap Request Money and set the amount to request or share a generic Revolut.me link so the sender can enter the amount, then send you the money through that link. And done. Now, share the link with the payer and they can send you money easily. Let me know if you need more further help on Revolut. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.